tell him.
Where is he now?
I tracked him down to an address in Brooklyn. He's on LinkedIn, Lemon. He might as well be.
Today I'm on another plane. I spend too much time on the dark side of your door.
Hello. Yeah, look, we're going to just touch on a couple of things, but mainly on the billable hour. And the death of the billable hour has been talked about for about 3 decades now, but it is finally coming, thankfully, in the law, and how that's going to change people's law careers. Welcome to my den, my downstairs dungeon, and in honour of the now late Diogo Jota, a Liverpool superstar who sadly passed this week in a car accident. I have put up my old picture of when Liverpool won the Champions League in 2005. So may he rest in peace, and you know, it brought us a lot of joy, and you know, God willing, his family are all well. Anyway, moving on, the billable hour and the way that this is going to change one's legal career. Like in law and in the legal career space, you know, one of the things that's been putting people off in probably the last 15 years of staying within practice has been this absolute drive and determination at all levels to get the fees in. You must go out and get clients. Every firm's the same. And, you know, a lot of people didn't go into law to be a salesman. I know you hate that term, but chasing fees and earning profit share is basically selling and earning commission. And that, you know, and a lot of you out there didn't go into it. And that's why the profession is losing young people. But there hasn't been any alternative, really, for a very long time. And that's why when everyone ever talked about the structure of law firms and the death of the billable hour and all this kind of stuff, nothing ever changed, because nothing ever came around that was any different. So, but now there is, and now there's AI. And one of the biggest, most fundamental things that's going to change about the legal career, or is changing about the legal career, is that you're no longer going to be charging clients based on how long things took you, because AI is going to speed everything up, or is already speeding everything up. So it's going to become a volume-driven job in practice. It's going to be less about how many hours did it take you to do this, and how many did you do in a day. And that is going to be a fundamental shift. Those that work at pace and work with technology are going to win the day. They're going to win all the revenue, and they're going to win all the clients, because the clients are going to want it quicker and quicker and quicker. If the client has got the same software as you, they can do it themselves if you're not super quick. So that is a fundamental change, and that is going to see, I mean, if I have a reason to use a lawyer these days and they were trying to charge me per hour, I'd be asking them what AI tools they're using. I don't want to be charged by the hour. I want a fixed fee, and I want it done quickly. So that is going to be a fundamental change, and that is going to see the death of the billable hour. And I doubt we'll see any more. Once it's really in place, it's not going to be a topic of conversation anymore, and it has been for the last 20, 30 years. So that is fundamentally going to change.